WVUM is officially 50 years old. We were founded in 1968, and from there we've just continued to grow into a very popular alternative radio station here in Miami. Everything we do here on the air, from the music we play to our sports broadcasts, our news broadcasts, everything in between is all done by the students here. We're actually a working business. We're a nonprofit organization, and students can really gain a lot of professional experience by coming and volunteering on our staff. People automatically assume you need to be involved in the School of Communication or journalism, but we really take people from all backgrounds at the university. So I love my show. My show is the Our Request Show. So I host it every Thursday with one of my good friends. And we come into the studio and we take listeners' calls, we take listeners' texts, and we play all their requests. It's just really cool to interact with our listeners and know that they're there and kind of get that positive feedback from them. My name is Emmi Velez. I'm a senior here studying journalism and political science, and I'm originally from Fort Lauderdale, Florida.